Okay, this ongoing topic is linkage and recombination. What is linkage? Physical distance or physical association between two genes is called as linkage. Physical association between two genes. Suppose on a chromosome where that genes are present, gene A or B present here, suppose C is present here, means distance between gene B and C is somewhat lesser than the distance between C and A. So these are more linked, but C and A are less linked. But gene A and B are very more linked. Like that we can say. Okay, this is what recombination. To find that this is linkage, and based on that linkage, we can say recombination. What is recombination? Non-parental combinations which are possible in a calf. That is called as what? Recombination. Especially this recombination, linkage and recombination is applicable to two genes present on a chromosome. A single gene means we can't say whether it is linked or recombined, like that we cannot say. For single genes, that linkage and recombination is not possible. For expression of characters by two genes, we can say this linkage and recombination. In previous class, I told you recombination frequency is equal to number of recombinants divided by total of progeny. That is one. And recombination percent is equal to recombination frequency into 100. This one recombination percent is equal to one map unit. One map unit, that is equal to 1 centimorgan, I told you in previous class. Here, what is a map unit means? This chromosome mapping we can do. What is chromosome mapping means? The presence of genes or order of genes present on a chromosome we can find by mapping. That mapping can be done by this recombination studies also. We will see an example so that you can understand. Chromosome mapping means, chromosome mapping is there, gene mapping is there. What is the order of chromosomes? That we can say, one thing. Another one, we can find the order of genes on a chromosome. Suppose from DNA has N terminal to C terminal ends, right? Sorry, 5 prime to 3 prime. 5 prime to 3 prime, one side to another side in the direction of transcription. Here, what is the genes arrangement on a DNA? What is the first gene, second gene, third gene, like that? Arrangement of genes on DNA or chromosome can be done by using this gene mapping, and chromosome mapping is finding the order of chromosomes from first chromosome to last chromosome. See here, this recombination frequency, and before going to some examples, let us see some more points regarding Morgan study. Thomas Hunt Morgan observed here when he crossed, what is that? What is your doubt? Example I will give. Example I will give. I will give example. Yes. Before going to that, he conducted crosses, I told you. What is the cross he told? He conducted cross A, cross B, like that. What is that? White eyed, yellow body crossed with brown body, red eye, like that. I gave example. He conducted some experiment. When he conducted that experiment, he observed recombination in different ratios. Morgan observed that recombination types are low in a calf. Suppose cross A, low in cross A. That recombination types were just 1.3% of recombination was seen. In cross A, he took two genes, suppose gene A gene A, gene B. Like that he took and crossed such experiments like Mendel experiments. When he found that, he got a result that recombination type just 1.3% in cross A. But he conducted by taking other characters. When he conducted cross B with other characters, suppose what is that? Yellow body, white eye is one character of Drosophila. That two genes he conducted one cross. Suppose wing size and body color, that may be another cross. So when he conducted other, he found that recombination types are more. Recombination types are more types of recombination he found when he conducted. Here, suppose by this cross, he found that white eye gene character and yellow body, white eye and yellow body genes are tightly linked. Tightly linked means they are present very near together on a chromosome. When he conducted an experiment like white eye crossed with yellow body, he found very less recombination types. That means they are more linked. Similarly, white eye and wing size, like miniature wing. Miniature wing means wing size or wing width. They are loosely linked. In first cross, he conducted a cross between characters like white eye, yellow body. For that two genes, he conducted experiments. In that cross A, he got less number of recombinations. But in cross B, when he conducted cross B with white eye character and miniature wing character, it shown high number of recombination, around 32.7% of recombination were found. Here you can write more, around 32.7% of recombination was shown by here. Here, now we can say that genes are arranged on same chromosomes but at different distances. Okay? Here, genes which are tightly linked means they will give less recombination. Genes which are loosely linked, they will give more recombination. Take an example. If you see, take a problem. Suppose model 1. Individuals are homozygous for AB genes. AB genes, homozygous. AB. Homozygous for AB genes. That means here both genes are AABB, like that. Homozygous genes, they were crossed with wild variety. Wild type means what? Wild type is a character which can be expressed under any condition, whether it is homozygous or heterozygous or dominant or recessive. In any condition, a gene will be expressed, that is called as wild variety or wild type. Between these two, a cross was conducted and F1 progeny were proposed. F1 progeny were seen in following proposition. What are that? In F1, plus were found around 900 progeny. and the progeny with A, B were found 880, and progeny with one gene wild, another gene A, resulted around 115, and progeny with one gene wild, another gene B, they raised around 105. This is model problem 1, model 1. Here, when Morgan conducted, suppose we think Morgan conducted a cross of an organism which is homozygous for genes A and gene B. Gene A and gene B means A, B, B. So here gametes may be like this, A, B, like that we can say. When it is crossed with two genes, are there now? One gene is taken from wild variety, another gene is coming from this. So this is producing A, B means this will produce two kinds of gametes. A is one gamete, B is one gamete. Okay. As it is wild variety, these two gametes can combine and form a progeny, or these two gametes may be combining. Plus is two gametes. These may be combining, which is forming like this. This plus and A can combine, and which resulted around 115 number of recombinants. Plus and B combined, and there was a production of 105 number in recombinant progeny. Now, calculate distance between gene A and gene B. Miniature wing, small wing. What is now based on that? What is distance between genes? This is the question. How to find the distance? What is the distance? Distance is measured in centimorgans, which are mass units. Centimorgans or mass units are called what? Distance. Right? What is the centimorgan? It is a mass unit. What is mass unit? Mass unit is recombination percent. What is recombination percent? Recombination frequency into 100. What is recombination frequency? Recombination frequency is equal to number of recombinants by total offsprings. What are number of recombinants here? This is pure. This is pure. These two are recombinants. Recombinants are how many? 220. These two are recombinants. Divided by total 900, 1700, 1780, and this 220. Yeah, 2000 will come. That only I am saying. What is recombination frequency? Total number of recombinants. What are recombinants? This is parental combination AB. Plus is one parental combination. AB is one parental combination. But in progeny there is formation of non-parental combination, which is plus A plus B. These two are non-parental combinations. These non-parental combinations total how much? 200 divided by total offspring. How many? 2000. That will give 0.11. And recombination percent is equal to what? Recombination frequency into 100. So that's 220 by 2000 into 100. 11 centimorgans. 11% is recombination percent. So 1% is equal to 1 mass unit, I told you. As 1% is equal to 1 mass unit, which is 1 centimorgan, 11% is equal to 11 centimorgans. That is the distance between two genes. Understand? Understand? Darun Kumar. Yeah, understood. What is this? Purinjuda. Map unit is 11. Yes. What I told you? Recombination percent is equal to total recombination frequency into 100. 1% is equal to 1 map unit. 1% is equal to 1 map unit. 1 map unit means 1 centimorgan. 11% is equal to 11 map units. What are that units? Centimorgan. See here, this is, listen once more. This is one parental variety. This is parental. When a cross is conducted between homozygous for AB genes and wild type, there was formation of progeny in the ratios, especially in F1, there is formation of progeny in these numbers. Wild variety, which is homozygous for wild variety, there is around 900 expressions. Wait. Okay. Then this parental combination of this parent were found around 880. One gene from this, 115, which has a plus A. And one gene here, one gamete B here, 105. This is the total progeny. So how to find recombination percent? Number of recombinants. What is the number of recombinants? Non-parental combination. Plus A plus B. They are not of any parents. That is 220. Divided by total number of offspring, 2000. Into 100 means that will give recombination percent. So total will come what? 11% will come. Okay. 11% will come. So in this 11%, 1% is equal to 1 map unit. 1% is equal to 1 map unit. So 11% is equal to 11 map units. That map units are expressed in terms of centimorgan. That is the distance. See here. He conducted 2 crosses, I told you. Suppose cross A, where white eye crossed with yellow body. See. No. Total offspring 2000 only. Huh? How? 5, 10, 8 plus 2, 10, 9 plus 8, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, 2000 only. 2000 only. Not 2100. 2000 only. See here, when cross A is conducted between white eye and yellow body, that cross is shown 1.3% of recombination, which is recombination types are low in cross A. Cross B is conducted. When he conducted a cross B with white eye and miniature wing, this is not color of the wing, size of the wing. Wing size, I told you. Size is big means female, size is less means male, like that. Miniature wing. Okay, miniature wings. Wings are there, miniature wings. That miniature wing and this white eye, when they crossed, there is result of 32.7% of recombination. What this indicates? What I told you in previous class, linkage is more means recombination is less. See here, recombination is less here in cross A. Okay, recombination is less in cross A means, that means linkage is more. Here recombination is more means linkage is less. Wild variety, this is plus 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 plus. Plus plus is wild variety. I told you what is wild variety. A gene which can express under any conditions, whether it is homozygous or heterozygous or dominant or recessive, that can be expressing. But for wild variety, there should be presence of this both. Two wild varieties means both are wild genes, but here both are wild genes means both characters will be expressed here. Here both are not wild, so expression is based on the gene A and gene B. Here wild character is expressed along with character A. Wild character is expressed along with character B. Okay, this is model 1 of recombination. Next I will give one more problem on this recombination to find. Here in a cross for test cross with 3 genes, model 2. How to find a distance? 2 genes means we can find easily. Distance between genes of a trihybrid cross. To find, not a trihybrid actually, to find distance between 3 genes. How to find a distance between 3 genes means he conducted test crosses. Suppose gene A, gene B, gene C, 3 genes are there on a chromosome. What is the order of the gene? What is the distance between genes? To find that he conducted such experiments. First experiment he conducted a test cross. TC means here test cross. Test cross between capital A small a, capital B small b. Test cross means what? This heterozygous test cross between heterozygous capital A small a, capital B small b. When it is crossed with recessive parent, is giving what? Heterozygous. Sorry, this is heterozygous cross with recessive parent means that is what we say test cross. Test cross between capital A small a, capital B small b. When he crossed that, recombinants are, see here, first I will give that abbreviation. What abbreviations I am using here? Test cross. TC I used because to manage the space on the board. RC, recombinant combinations or recombinant. PC, PC means parental combinations. PC, parental combination. He found that recombinations are 50 and parental combinations are 950. When a test cross is conducted between capital A small a, capital B small b with recessive parents, there is formation of 50 recombinants and 950 parental combinations to find genes A, B, C distances. Then a test cross with capital A small a, capital C small c, he conducted. When he conducted that, recombinants are produced 75 and parental combinations are produced 425. Suppose another test cross with capital B small b, capital C small c he conducted. When he conducted, recombinants were seen around 160 and parental combinations 640. What he did to find the distance between gene A, B, C on different chromosomes, A, B, B, C, C were chosen. genes AA, BB, CC were chose, and he conducted several crosses like that. Based on this above results, what is distance between genes and loci on and their loci or order on chromosome. On the chromosome, what is the order of the genes? That is the question. What is the distance between genes and order of the genes on a chromosome? 2 genes means we can find easily, no problem. 3 genes, distance between genes we can find very easily, no problem. But how to find the order? See here, if you see solution, first test cross. Percentage of recombination between capital A, small a. What is that? Recombination percent. Recombinates are 50. Total offerings. How many total offerings are there? Total offerings I am asking, not percent. 1000. Someshwari. Yeah, 1000. 50 are recombinants, 950 plus 50 total recombinants, total offerings into 100. So the recombination percent is equal to 5%. 0.5%. How? Recombination frequency is 0.5. Not 0.05 will come recombination frequency also. Okay. So 5% means 5 centimorgans. What is distance between gene A and gene B is 5 centimorgans. Second point, recombination percent between here A and C. A and B here, sorry. What is 75 divided by 75 is recombinant. The total offerings means this one 500 into 100. How much percentage will come? 15%. 15% means there is 15 centimorgans. Third one. Recombination percent or distance between B and C. Third cross. 160 divided by 160 plus 640 means 800 into 100. That is what? 20%, that is equal to 20 centimorgans. Okay. Now, distance between gene A and B is 5 centimorgans. And distance between gene A and gene C is 15 centimorgans. And distance between B and C is 20 centimorgans. Right? As distances are here, now find order. If you write a chromosome order, suppose compare that 3, A, B, C. If order is like that, what is the distance between A and B? A and B is 5 centimorgans. Distance between B and C is 20. But distance between A and C will be 15. But this 15 should come. But here 5 plus 20, 25 will come. this is not possible. Yes, already answers also came. Suppose ACB, AC distance is 15, CB distance is 20, but AB distance, according to this, AB distance should be 35, but only 5 is there. So this is also not possible. This is not possible. Now, B, A, C. Distance between B and A is 5 centimorgans. Distance between A and C is 15 centimorgans. So the distance between B and C, what is B and C? 20. So this is correct. So now the order or loci of chromosomes is CAB or BAC. Order of genes may be, suppose this is a chromosome, means here this may be CAB, no problem. Otherwise BAC means the same result will come. The order of genes on chromosome may be BAC or CAB. Like this we can find the recombination. With the help of recombination we can find order of genes. This is what we call gene mapping. Gene mapping. Okay, copy this. Yeah. PCRC will be given to find that definitely the ratios of recombinations and parental combinations, the data will be given. The data will be given to find the answer. Otherwise, you have to conduct experiments and find parental combinations and recombinations in the field. You have to conduct that experiments. Crossing between Drosophila we should conduct in the laboratory. Then we have to observe this character. Then we have to calculate. Otherwise, the data should be there. Okay. Complete. Yes, thank you. Now, based on this linkage has a particular number of groups. Based on the number of chromosomes, there may be presence of linkage groups. What is a linkage group means? Here, suppose Pisum sativum. Pisum sativum has how many chromosomes? 7 chromosomes are there. As 7 chromosomes are there, this is all groups of genes on one chromosome will form one group of linkage. second chromosome has another copy. That second chromosome has that one. What is linkage group means? All genes on one chromosome remained as one linkage group. All genes on one chromosome remain as one linkage group. How to find the linkage groups means? It is equal to the haploid number of chromosomes. Linkage groups or number of linkage groups equal to number of haploid chromosomes. How many chromosomes are present? Number of haploid chromosomes plus number of allosomes. Suppose take example so that you can understand. Poisson sativum has 7 linkage groups. Suppose if we take a maize plant, maize has 10 chromosomes. So maize has 10 linkage groups. Why I mentioned allosomes? Because in this here there is no separate sex chromosomes in plants. Plants do not have any sex chromosomes. But take female human. Human female has how many? Usually 22 autosomes. 22 autosomes, and the number of allosomes is what? 1, because it is allosomes, both are same type. So 23 linkage groups are present in human female. Whereas if you see human male has 22 autosomes. That means haploid set of autosomes is 22. And number of allosomes. What is allosome here? X, Y. Because as there are two different allosomes, here X and Y, two different allosomes are there with two linkage groups are present. So 24 linkage groups. Hey, what is allosomes means? What is that question, Ra? What is allosome? Allosomes are also called as sex chromosomes. Autosomes means which are not involving in determination of the sex or the gender. Whereas allosomes are chromosomes which are involving in determination of the sex or gender of a individual or an organism. Suppose this XX and XY are allosomes in humans because these X chromosomes and Y chromosomes are involving in determination of the gender, whether male or female. That is determined by this. Allosomes means sex chromosomes, XX, XY in humans. So this is what we can say linkage groups. Okay. Next. Complete? Yes. Thank you, Raja Lakshmi. Next, this recombination is also due to crossing over. Recombination is also due to crossing over. Here, what is the recombination and crossing over? What is crossing over? Vishwanath, the BB6 left. Harini left. Yeah, you leave. I will take attendance again. at any time. I assigned some people for attendance. Some of the students will take attendance and they will send me attendance. Already assigned. So attendance will be taken at beginning of the class, middle of the class, and at the end of the class. 3 times I assigned some people, you know or you don't know, that is not problem. Okay. See here, what is crossing over? What is crossing over? Exchange of not spy. That is not spy. Okay. Here, what is crossing over? Crossing over means exchange of DNA. Yes, yes. Breaking and fusing of DNA or chromosomes. Exchange of DNA between what? Between non-sister chromatids. Non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes. Between non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes, there is exchange of DNA material. That is what we say, what? Crossing over. We'll see here. Suppose one chromosome is here like this, another chromosome. So here this chromosome has 4 chromatids. So all chromatids can be considered as sister chromatids because they are present on a single or same chromosome. Okay. Now, actually this recombination or crossing over is taking place during which stage? Which process is responsible for this recombination or crossing over? Packaging stage of meiosis. Yes, Jayreka. Very good, Jayreka. Now, suppose this is one chromosome, tetrad of the chromosome. This chromosome crossed with another chromosome like this. When this chromosome crossed with another chromosome, there is formation of recombinant nodule. What is that recombinant nodule called? Chiasmata is forming. Recombinant nodules named chiasmata are forming, and there is exchange of DNA. That exchange of DNA results in formation of recombinants. Okay, with the help of an enzyme called what? Recombinase. Recombinants are possible during packaging, which is an enzymatic process carried by recombinase. Just a second, I will show how recombination taken place after the chromosomes getting separated. Tell me what happened here. Tell me what happened. This is a part of DNA is exchanged from this chromosome to here, and from here to there is exchange. Exchange of DNA taken place between chromosomes. Which chromosomes? Non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes. In packaging, where it is taking place? Chromosomes during pachytene of prophase 1 of meiosis 1. In meiosis 1, there is a prophase 1. In that prophase, there is a pachytene stage. During that pachytene, there is exchange of DNA like this. That exchange of DNA is producing new combinations of alleles. Here, new combinations are possible. New combinations of alleles are produced for linked genes. Linked genes. Suppose here two genes are linked, means they are exchanging from one chromosome to another chromosome. Linked genes are getting exchanged. Okay. That's why this is what called linkage and recombination, which is crossing over, which is resulting in recombination. This crossing over may be single crossing over or double crossing or multiple crossing. Single crossing over. What is the single crossing over means? Crossing over which is taking place between two chromosomes at one place. This is one homologous chromosome. This is one homologous chromosome. Another homologous chromosome is like this. Here chiasm meta is forming here. That results in formation of see here what happened? The DNA is exchanged this part. This came here and this came here, non-sister chromatids. If only one recombination nodule is formed here, this is one recombination nodule, that is single crossing over. Okay? Like that, double crossing over is there, multiple crossing over is also there. Double crossing over means two nodules. Which nodules? Two recombinant nodules are formed. Here one nodule, one recombinant nodule is formed here, recombination nodule. Similarly, multiple crossing over means multiple crossing over. Many recombinant nodules are formed, more than two. If many recombinant nodules are formed here, what will happen? Just see now. Suppose this is one chromosome. Non-sister chromatids are showing recombinant nodules like this. This is another homologous chromosome. If recombinant nodules are many, what is resulting here? This chromosome will be same, homologous pair. This chromatid will be same, another chromatid is undergoing some changes like this. If recombinant nodules are formed many, then there is exchange of DNA at many places. Here exchange, here exchange, here exchange. So here exchange, here exchange, here exchange. Exchange of DNA is taking place at many places due to multiple crossing overs. Single crossing over means only one side there is exchange. Double crossing over means two exchanges are there in the DNA. Okay? Like this, crossing over is taking place, which resulting in new combinations during packaging of prophase 1 of meiosis 1. This packaging is forming that combination. So recombinants are possible in packaging only. That's why meiosis is involving in gamete formation of sexual reproduction. So meiosis is giving rise to new variations. In sexual reproduction, there is a formation of new variations due to this meiosis only, which is crossing over and recombination taking place. Yeah, you note down this. Don't leave. Enough for today. Don't leave.